In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Tavily Search API to n8n using an HTTP request node. By the end, you'll have a working n8n workflow that talks directly to Tavily and returns real search results you can use in your automations. You'll just need access to both Tavily and n8n. We'll keep things simple, clear, and secure. First, create a Tavily API key. Head over to the Tavily site and sign in to your account. From your dashboard, generate a new API key. This key is what authorizes your workflow to make requests to the Tavily API. Copy it and keep it somewhere safe for the next step. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, and avoid pasting it in places you might commit to source control. If you're working in a team or planning to reuse it often, consider storing it as a secure credential inside n8n rather than hard-coding it in a node. Next, create a new workflow in n8n. Open n8n and click New Workflow. This gives us a clean canvas to build on. You can rename the workflow to something memorable so it's easy to find later. Now add an HTTP request node. Click Add Node and search for HTTP request. This node is the bridge between n8n and external services, in this case, the Tavily Search API. Drop it onto the canvas and select it so we can configure it. Configure the API request inside the HTTP request node. Set the method to post. In the URL field, enter https API tavily.com/search. Using post ensures we can send a request payload and receive structured search results back from Tavily. Add the request headers so Tavily knows who you are and what format to expect. In the headers section, add content type with the value application/JSON. Then add authorization and paste in your Tavily API key as the value. This authenticates your request with Tavily. Double-check spelling and capitalization for both header names and values, as small typos can cause authentication errors. It's time to test the connection. Click Execute Workflow. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see a response from Tavily with useful data such as titles, summaries, and source links. You can expand the output in n8n to inspect the JSON and confirm it looks right. If you don't get results, verify that the URL is exact, the method is set to post, and the authorization header contains a valid key. Also make sure content type is application/JSON. That's it. Tavily is now successfully connected to n8n. From here, you can enrich your automations by parsing the response, filtering results, or sending them to other tools, all within your n8n workflow.